In this video, I will be showing you how to install AnyDesk on macOS. So let's get started. For this, just search for AnyDesk. We'll be having the official link anydesk.com. Select it, and here we are having the download now option. Click it. Download will be getting started. It is around 24 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. Drop it inside applications. Now just go to apps. We'll be having AnyDesk. Open it. Select open here. We'll be getting a dialog box saying system permission status. As it clearly says here, grant AnyDesk the required permissions for complete remote access functionality. So it's saying denied at first. So we can simply click on this and click on open system settings. And here in system and audio recording, under privacy and security, just enable for AnyDesk also. So you have to enter your password for that. So you can either select quit and reopen or select later. I'll just go with later for now. And we can close it. And if I refresh it now, as you can see, the permission has been granted for this. Now, next let's go with the second denied one. It says requires accessibility to control mouse and keyboard. If you don't want that, you can simply leave it denied. If you want, you can simply click request accessibility. We can just enable it. Enter the password. That is also granted. And final one is full disk access. AnyDesk requires a full disk access to your files and folders. So this is basically totally up to you. If you want to give it, you can click this and give access. And if you want to reset everything, you can do that also. And apart from that, here they are also having another way, like the steps. You can follow these two also. So everything here is totally up to you. What are the stuff you want to give AnyDesk access to? So once you're done with it, you can simply close this. And this is the AnyDesk app. Here we are having the address. You can simply share this to someone and they can take remote access of your system. And if you have any other person's address, you can simply enter that address here and you can use it also. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.